Hey, Jake, I was thinking of going to the bookstore this afternoon. Want to come with me?
I'm not really into books, but I guess I could give it a try.
Great, you might find something interesting. Do you prefer fiction or nonfiction?
I don't know. I've never really thought about it. What's the difference?
Fiction is made up stories like novels and fantasy books. Nonfiction is about real things like history, science, or biographies.
Oh, I see. Maybe I'll try a mystery novel. I like solving puzzles.
That's a good choice. Mysteries keep you engaged because you want to know what happens next.
Yeah, but I'm worried I won't understand everything.
Don't worry. If a book is too difficult, start with a simple one. You can also check the meaning of new words as you read.
That's a good idea. Do you think they have books for beginners?
Of course, they have graded readers, which are books written for learners.
That sounds perfect. Thanks, Emma. Let's go.